So here's the same experiment that you just saw, except instead of using a pH 7 buffer, I used a pH 6 buffer. So let's take a look and see what's going to happen here. Again, in the cuvette, I've got the substrate, catechol, with some pH 6 buffer, and I've got some pH 6 buffer and enzyme in the glass tube. I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to leave the cap off so that oxygen can get in. I'm going to place it in the spectrophotometer and hit collect. And data starts being collected. You can see over here every second there's a reading of the optical density, and you can see those numbers are going up. You can see this line is sloping upwards. In other words, the reaction must be happening in there for that to be occurring. My question is going to be, how fast is this happening? And so I let this run for a little while. I'm going to pause it. Just let it go for a little bit. I'm going to pause it, and then we're going to get the slope of the early part of this line. Again, when you see those little blips show up, like these little jagged things here, that's really just some solids, some little bits of gunk that are in the solution that fly in front of the beam of light in the spectrophotometer. And once you get a statistically determined best fit line, they kind of don't really matter. And for our purposes, we only are interested in the beginning part of this line anyway. So I'm going to do a little selection there and go up to the top and find the button to click. It's not that one. It's that one right there. That gives us a line. It gives us a slope. The slope is 0.004599. That's the rate of the reaction as it occurred at pH 6. We're going to compare that to the rate at pH 7.